Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? I am wonderfully well. Thank you. Welcome to our online social studies class. Had your breakfast? Of course, you might had. Yes, I too had my breakfast. What did you take in your breakfast? What did you have in your breakfast? You might had idli, vada, or dosa, chapati, or anything, whatever you take in your breakfast, the thing you like. Why am I asking all of a sudden about the breakfast today? You might be thinking, am I right? I'll tell you why am I asking all this. All of us eat something or the other every day. What we eat is called as our food. It's not food, it's food. So today's topic of ours is the third lesson, which is that is food we eat. What is it? Food we eat. You all have some of your favorite foods. You like some food, am I right? So now I ask everyone to open your textbook and look into your third lesson. Here comes our friend. Who is our friend? Chinky, who is also called as a bunny, who is a rabbit. So what is his favorite food? He likes to eat carrot. So his favorite food is carrot. Same like him, we also have our favorite food. We too like something to eat. It might be a spicy thing, it might be a fruit, it might be a vegetable, it might be a sweet. Whatever we eat is called as a food. Okay, let's get started. Now look into your books, everyone. What you have is the pictures, colorful pictures of the food we eat regularly. You can easily identify them. Look at the picture carefully and write each of the name given below in the blank. So what is the first picture given there in your notebook? What is this? These are all fruits. What do you see there? You see grapes, you see cucumber, you see apple. Am I right? These are all called as fruits. So sharp your pencil and write it down as fruits. Very good. Then what we have regularly in our food, the most common food we eat, what is it? It's a white colored thing. What is it? The rice which we eat regularly. We Indians like to eat rice mostly. Next comes the milk. The thing which we chew in our mouth is called as food. Then what do we do if it is a liquidized thing like water or a juice or something like what do we say, shake? What do we call them? We call them as we drink them. Sorry, not call them, we drink them. We do not eat them, but we drink them. So what is that which is there in white colored in a glass? You all have it regularly, am I right? In the evening time or before sleeping or after you wake up, your mother brings you a glass of milk. Write it down there, milk. Then you see there some of the cereals are also called as dal. So write down there cereals, which comes with C, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Then is a round shaped. What is it? It's made with a flour. It's called a chapati or a roti. Then you see the colorful things again, the green, the reds, the white. What are they? They are vegetables given here. Carrots you see, spinach you see, and many more, tomatoes and all. The next comes the favorite food of someone, which is fish. Write it down there, which lives in water. Yes, you cook them and eat them. It is so delicious. Am I right? Come on. Next is all. We love it very much. Whatever comes, when a Sunday comes, we like to eat this much. What is that? The speciality of Sunday. The chicken. Kukuduku. Come on, write down there. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. So these are all the food that we eat regularly. Some of them like to eat them, some of them don't eat them. As our wish, we have it. So what does a food give to us? How is food helpful to us? We all are human beings, right? We all are living things. We need food to survive. Am I right? If we don't have food, we may feel weak. We may get ill. If you don't have food for one day long, what happens? You may feel sick and we have to rush to the hospital. Your stomach get hurts. Am I right? So that is why have your food. What does it give? It gives us energy and it helps us to grow. It gives us strength. It makes us strong. It builds our body. Yes. So by eating this food, we can have much energy and work very much and learn the lessons quicker. So what are the food that we eat? We are going to learn today. We eat different things. We eat different types of things. Not only one, we eat all kinds of food. What are they? Some of them are fruits and vegetables, which we have discussed earlier, which are colorful, red in color, green in color. We cook them, we eat them. We eat them as raw. Raw is like when you get it from a market. What do? When you bring fruits and vegetables from market, wash them thoroughly, as there is no infection left on the fruit. There is no germs left on the food. You wash them properly and then you eat them. You eat it as a raw. If it is a raw, you can eat it. If it is a fruit, you can eat it raw. But if a vegetable, some of the vegetables are like you have to cook them and eat them. You make a delicious, your mother or your grandparents or your elders make delicious food to you and then we eat them. Am I right? Then we eat rice and roti. Roti, most of us like to eat roti at night time. That is called as dinner. We have food at night, that is called as dinner. So we eat roti at night, and also rice, which is the main crop which we eat regularly. It is a common food of all our Indians. We like to eat rice a lot. It gives us energy, energetic food. It has much carbohydrates in it. Then some of them eat meat and fish. Not all of us eat the same. We all eat rice and roti. But some of them eat only meat and fish, or chicken is eaten by only some of us. Like if they don't like to eat the meat, which is called as non-veg, then they are called as non-vegetarians. Those who eat only fruits and vegetables, only the vegetables, not having any non-veg, they are called as vegetarians. So not all of us like to eat meat, fish and chicken. Only some of us have meat, fish, chicken and all. Some of us eat eggs as well as eggs. Eggs, if you boil them, they are protein food. It helps us to grow. It gives us energy. So every day we have to have one boiled egg. So this is also comes under a non-veg food, which comes from the poultry, the animals. So not all of us like to eat eggs. Some of us only eat eggs. What some of us eat? We eat. Some of us like to eat meat, fish as well as egg and chicken. Okay, then what do babies eat then? We have small babies. You might have siblings in your home. What do they eat then? What is the food for the babies? The food for the babies is milk. They drink milk. Like we have discussed earlier, the food which we put in our mouth and chew, that is, we eat them, and the liquidized substance, we drink them, like juice, shakes or milk or water regularly, frequently we drink. This is called as milk is the food of babies. They drink it. Okay. Then next, here you have some good food habits. You also have to learn some good food habits. What are the good food habits? Where do you have your lunch mostly? In the schools, you have lunch. So what you should get? You should get a napkin, as the rice should not spill over. Do not waste food. It takes many days to grow. The farmers are working a lot to grow the crop. Then we have to polish them. Then it comes in the store. Then from the store we are buying them. It takes a long process. That is why do not waste the food. How much you can eat, that much you put it in your plate and place a napkin and eat it properly without spilling it down. Okay. Then what is the next? We should eat food on time. Do not skip the time. If you skip the time, it may trouble your stomach. You get hurt. You get hurt in your stomach. You may feel sick, or your stomach may fill with the acid reflux, or you might have acidity problem and many more. You might get sick and all. So that is why eat food on time. Food gives us energy and build us to grow. So eat good food. Also, we like to eat pizzas, burgers, chips and all which we get from outside food. Those are called as junk food. Avoid them. Avoid them. Don't eat them. It is an unhealthy food. Once in a while, once in 3 months or once in 5 months, it's okay. But when you have an habit of eating it regularly, it hurts your health a lot. Those are called as junk food. Fruits, vegetables, whatever is cooked in your cooked in your house, wash them neatly, thoroughly, and then eat them. It is all healthy food. So try to eat only healthy food. Do not eat junk food. This is my request. Okay, follow my words. Thank you if you have all followed it. The next, turn to the next page. What do you see here? Cross the wrong word in each sentence. We have all learnt in our lesson. What we have learned, just recall it. What is there? Cross the wrong word. Wrong word means which is not correct. We need food or milk to live our life happily. What do we need? We need milk or food? We need food. Yes. What we eat is our food or juice. What it is called? Is it a food or juice? Food. Food helps us to sleep or grow. Food helps us to grow. All of us eat vegetables or meat. All of us. What do we eat? We eat vegetables or meat? All of us eat vegetables. We must eat fresh or stale food. Stale food, which gets a bad smell, is called as a stale food, which has spoiled. So we should not eat stale food. What we have to eat? We should have to eat fresh food. Okay. So what we have learned today is the types of food. What are they? Fruits, vegetables are eaten by all of them eat this food. Only some of them eat. What are they? Some of them eat are eggs, meat, fish and chicken. So how does food helps us? What does food gives us? Food is most essential for living things to live. Without the food, we cannot live. Even the water is most essential. So next, food helps us to grow. Our body gets grow. You are smaller. Yes, then your body is growing day by day. Am I right? You check your height regularly. Am I growing today? I am a compliant boy or not? You will be checking, right? So that is how food is helping us to grow and also making us strong, giving us strength. And also it helps to grow. It makes us strong. It helps our life live happily. are all the food how it is helping us. And next, the food which we chew, what do we do to it? We eat them. And the food which is like milk, which are waterized, milk, water or juice, what do we do them? We drink them. Yes. And what I said, as I said, do not eat junk food. Eat only healthy food. What are junk food? Burgers, pizzas, chips and roadside food. These are all our junk food. Try to avoid them. And good food habits. What are good food habits? Eat food on time. Do not spill the food. Cover the food properly. Before eating or after eating, cover the food so that no infection or no mosquitoes or no viruses attack the food. Okay, cover them when you have them. Before eating, cover them, and after eating also you cover them, and then have your food. And before eating, we have to all wash our hands properly. Next, we have fill in the blanks. What are the fill in the blanks? We give next answer to it. I will read it for you. You tell me the answer. We get energy from our, where do we get energy from? Energy. Food also gives us strong. It makes us strong. How does it make? It gives us energy. So which is that which gives energy? Food. Food gives us energy. We eat blank things. With things. Different things, not the same thing regularly. We eat different things. What is the spelling of different? D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. We drink. What are the things that we drink? Drink are milk, water, juice. Then babies drink. What is the food for baby? Babies drink milk. The food for baby is milk. Next, write V for vegetables or F for fruits and given to the next picture below. You have a box given here. If it is a vegetable, write V. If it is a fruit, write F. So what is the first picture given there? It's a bottle gourd. So what is it? Which is in green color. Is it a vegetable or a fruit? You all are right. It's a vegetable. So what we have to write there? Vegetable starts with V. So write down V there. Then the next fruit, then the next picture. We are all familiar with it. What is the picture there? We eat it. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. If you eat an apple a day, it gives us strength. It makes us healthy. Am I right? So what is it? It's a fruit. Write F. Then we have a violet colored thing. What is it? Brinjal. So it's a vegetable. Write V over there. Then you have red round colored tomato. What is it? Yes, it's a vegetable. You're all right. It's a vegetable as well as a fruit. It's vegetable and a fruit because we can eat tomato by washing it. We can eat it raw. Am I right? It tastes good even if we eat it raw. So that is why it is vegetable and as well as a fruit. Next comes our friend Chinky's favorite food. What is it? Carrot. It's in orange color. Is it a vegetable or a fruit? Yes, it's a vegetable, and some of them who have told it, it's also a correct. It is also a fruit. Why? Because we eat it raw. So it's a vegetable as well as a fruit. Then is lady's finger. Is it my finger? No, it's a vegetable which is green in color. It is called as lady's finger. So it's a vegetable. Write down V there. Then you have king of all the fruits. What is that? Mango, which is yellow in color. We get it in summer season. So it's a fruit. Write down F there. Then our favorite vegetable of all. We fry them, we cook them, we like to eat the most. What is it? Potato. So it's a vegetable, right? V there. Then you have some of the dots given there. Draw them with a pencil and then color them according to their colors. I have done this for you. You do the same as you like. This is your homework for today. Okay. Then next, which of the following things do you tick them? Which of the following things you do? Which are the things you do? You tick it them. Eat fresh food. We must eat fresh food or a stale food? Fresh food. So is it right or wrong? Is it? It is correct. So put a right mark there. Eat food on time. We should eat food on time. I said you, this is a good food habit. Yes, always eat food on time. So is it right or wrong? It's a correct statement. Put a tick over there. Sometimes eat uncovered food. We must eat uncovered food. What happens if the food is uncovered? If we eat them, we may get hurt because all the mosquitoes and the infection and the viruses may attack it. Then when we eat it, it hurts in our stomach. So that is why it's a wrong statement. Put a wrong over there in a box. Eat clean food. Yes, we should watch the food. We should wash fruits and vegetables when we buy them from market. Get them as well as when we get them into our house. First thing we have to do is we have to wash them neatly and then eat the clean food. That is all we have all learned today in our class about our food. We eat. We all are foodies. Am I right? We like to eat food. Hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Let us meet in the next class with a new lesson. Hope you all have enjoyed our third lesson, which is food we eat. Thank you all.